Welcome to your video all about your energy system. So if you're a beginner here, we're going to talk about your energy system, your aura, chakra and meridians. So if you're new to spirituality, you might hear these terms, aura, chakras, meridians, and you might wonder what they really mean. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through these core parts of your energy system and why they matter, and some simple practices that you can start today. No fluff, no overwhelm, just clear steps to help you feel balanced, grounded and empowered. So let's start with your aura, your personal energy field. Imagine a soft bubble of light surrounding your body, extending a few feet outward. This field reflects your inner state and also interacts with the energy of others. So why does it matter? Well, a strong, vibrant aura will promote confidence and emotional stability. A weak or cluttered aura can leave you drained or feeling anxious. So if you find a quiet space, stand or sit comfortably, close your eyes, and then visualize a golden light surrounding your body like a bubble. Imagine it spinning, gently radiating warmth and strength. And then you can just repeat silently, my energy is protected, I am safe and whole. Practice it daily. Or you can even do it if you're feeling particularly stressed or if you're in a busy environment. Protect your aura. Next are the chakras. Now there are 7 energy centers along your spine, each linked to different aspects of life. So your root chakra is at the base of your spine, the color red for security and grounding, sacral, orange, lower abdomen for creativity and motion, solar plexus, yellow, your stomach, confidence, power, heart, green, your chest for love and compassion, throat, blue, your neck, communication, your third eye, indigo, your forehead for your intuition, and the crown is violet or white at the top of your head for spiritual connection. Now, when a chakra is blocked, the energy struggles to flow and it can show up as stress or fatigue or emotional imbalance. So what you want to do is balance these chakras. So you can sit quietly, take a few deep breaths and then focus on each chakra. You can visualize its color shining brightly and say the affirmations out loud or silently from your root. I am grounded and secure. Sacral, I embrace creativity and joy. Solar, I am confident and strong. Heart, I give and receive love freely. Throat, I express my truth clearly. Third eye, I trust my intuition. Crown, I am connected to divine wisdom. I've created some beautiful crystal healing tutorials, and if you really want to delve deeper into chakra work, you can find the crystal healing tutorials in a Learn section on my Soul membership. Finally though, let's talk about meridians. Now these are your energy pathways that create life force throughout your body. So you might have heard of them in acupuncture or traditional Chinese medicine. Now why do they matter? Well, a healthy meridian will keep the energy flowing, supporting vitality. A blocked meridian can cause tension or fatigue or emotional stagnation. So the best way to clear these is to just do a few light stretches or some yoga poses to open the pathways. Or you can visualize energy flowing smoothly through your body. Maybe to keep it simple, here's a daily routine you can try. Maybe start your morning with a 2-minute aura visualization. Then spend 5 minutes balancing your chakras with your affirmations. Then move your body gently with some breathing and movement to support your meridians. And then at the very, very end of your day, finish with a meditation. Your energy system is like a hidden support network. And when you care for it consistently, you'll notice more clarity, balance and vitality in your life. So remember, energy flows where attention goes. So protect it, nourish it and watch your life transform. I have created a fantastic soul membership where every month I will guide you through different techniques, spiritual meditations. We have an online Zoom call where you can ask me questions and answers, and you can join lots of other souls just like you who are starting their spiritual journey. I'll drop all the information in the show notes below, and I can't wait to see you in the soul membership.